4 days after the passage of the catastrophe Category 5 Hurricane Melissa, the Jamaica Public Service Company is reporting progress in restoring electricity across the island. At 2 p.m. today, JPS confirmed that power has been restored to 150,000 customers in several parishes. Currently, just under 58% of customers remain without electricity, down from 77% immediately after the hurricane passage. The JPS projects by midnight Sunday, 90% of service will be restored in Kingston and St. Andrew, 95% in St. Thomas, and 90% in Portmore, the rest of St. Catherine, 85%. It says in central Jamaica, sections of Clarendon have already been reconnected, and crews are now working in Manchester with priority being placed on restoring power to Mandeville Regional Hospital. Power has now been restored to 13 of the island's 21 major hospitals, including Kingston Public, Victoria Jubilee, Bustamante for Children, and the University Hospital of the West Indies. JPS is also powering 92 National Water Commission pumps, representing 37 of critical water facilities. The company is also working closely with the Ministry of Education to help restore schools. Meanwhile, the National Water Commission is appealing for patience as it works to restore water supply to communities severely impacted by Hurricane Melissa.
The National Water Commission says the passage of Hurricane Melissa has left significant damage to several of its facilities, disrupting service across multiple parishes. NWC Corporate Public Relations Manager Delana Williams says the Great River system in western Jamaica suffered a major setback.
The entire raw water line that crosses the bridge at Great River was washed away, and that's a 32-inch line.
Mr. Williams says emergency work has started to reinstall the line and restore normal distribution, but that process will take about 5 days to complete. In the meantime, he says the NWC is working to provide some relief through alternative systems.
So the steps we are putting in place is to have alternate systems, provide some amount of relief. So our systems in St. James, our systems in Trelawney will be seeking to augment that along with our systems in Logwood. That's on the Hanover side.
The NWC's contact center, which was also affected by the hurricane, is now back in operation. But Mr. Williams says assessment continues across the country, particularly in southern parishes where access remains difficult.
Some locations we cannot get access because of the road damage, the down power lines, and the infrastructural damage to the facilities themselves.
The NWC says it will provide further updates as restoration efforts continue. Customers are being urged to continue to store water and use it wisely during this period of limited supply. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.